Shopify to PrestaShop Migration Checklist. Moving from Shopify to PrestaShop? Follow this checklist before you migrate. First, back up your Shopify store, products, customers, and orders. Install PrestaShop, choose a theme, and set currency, taxes, and shipping. Migrate products, variants, images, customers, and order history. Convert Shopify collections into PrestaShop categories and keep SEO data. Rebuild the store design, menus, and replace apps with PrestaShop modules. Test product pages, checkout, payments, and mobile view. Connect your domain, go live, and monitor orders and traffic. Like, subscribe, and comment checklist for the full guide.